How to fix no bootable image found, notebook will shut down. This error typically occurs when your laptop is unable to find a valid bootable image during the boot process. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. Restart your laptop and press the key to access BIOS settings, F2, F10, or delete key generally. See if the hard drive with OS is still detected in BIOS. If the hard drive is not detected, it could have failed or come loose. Open the laptop casing and check if the hard drive is properly connected. If the hard drive is detected, the boot sector or bootloader may be corrupted. Connect the hard drive to another working PC as a secondary drive and run chkdsk/r to scan and fix errors. The boot configuration data, BCD. May also be damaged. Run /export/c:\BCD backup on a working OS to backup BCD. On the problematic laptop, use /import c:\BCD backup in advanced safe mode to restore it. Check if you can boot into safe mode. If yes, perform a system restore to undo recent changes. Try resetting BIOS to default settings by removing the CMOS battery for a few minutes. If you had created a recovery drive, earlier, you can boot from it and use the startup repair tool to fix boot issues. As last resort, you may need to reformat the drive and do a clean install of the operating system. Backup important data first.